Yo, what's going on? Welcome everybody. This is Dan here with 2D2 Productions. If you guys are watching this video, you were looking at an awesome product made by Cozyla. This is the Calendar Plus 2, the all-in-one family calendar. Now, what makes this particular product unique? This is way beyond that, just a calendar. More than just an organizer. This is an all-in-one, like having a family clerk. And best of all, it's right at your fingertips. With the use of this particular tablet, you can have multiple family members. In addition to that, you've got a mobile application that you can download and access the entire family. So if you're away from home, this is like that intermediate shift of having technology keep you connected. So I'm going to dive right in and give you a quick showdown as far as for the mobile application and introduce you to this product because it's absolutely fantastic and it will change your family's lifestyle. I can guarantee that. So let me bring you up to speed and show you this app. Now, with the mobile application here, it gives you the full-on calendar experience. You can have all of your family members all right down in one place. You can create tasks, you can create schedules, you can even set up a meal routine. But best of all, you have the full Android operating system and the full login to the Google Play Store. Hey Davina, do you mind bringing that calendar in? You guys gotta check this out. Isn't there a game that you like to play on this? What game is that? Roblox. For real? So with this screen, you're telling me you can play Roblox?
Yeah.
That is awesome. So as you guys can see right off the bat, this has full access to the Android operating system. So your favorite games, your favorite TV shows, your favorite movies, you're able to access all of that right at your fingertips. And best of all, this is multi-user. So you can set it up for your kids, yourself. You can create tasks on the go. So even if you're away from home and your kids are at home, you can set stuff up for them while you're away. And vice versa. They can put things in there for you. So that way you can see your to-do list. So if you're a late bloomer and you stay up late, go to bed early, or you get up early and you go to bed on time, whatever your schedule is, this is going to give you that full opportunity. The Cozyla calendar is more than just a digital calendar. It is your whole home personal assistant, providing entertainment, keeping a schedule intact, being able to allow everyone to set up their own notes and memos, creating their own tasks and chores. And it's all controllable via app. So not only yourself, but everyone in your house can have access to the app and be able to upload their daily tasks and routines. So that way you can better plan and schedule as an entire family. In addition to that, this has a tremendous amount of capabilities of selecting meal arrangements and even giving examples. Going through different recipes, you're able to watch videos. Even beyond that, it'll give you the entire recipe and show you in detail how to cook a variety of different meals, from desserts and even drinks. So if you're looking for the next innovation and bringing technology into your home and organizing and keeping your family even closer together, the Cozyla calendar you definitely need to consider, because this is definitely a game changer when it comes to making plans and keeping track for not just yourself, but for everyone that lives inside the household or even a small business, because this truly is a whole entire routine and task developer. And one of the other things I like about it is it has full access to thousands of applications, being equipped and compatible with Google. With the Play Store, you can download thousands upon thousands of apps. It's got Bluetooth capability, so you can connect headphones and headsets and be able to listen to your music, as well as listen to any kind of directions when it comes to making your meals and necessities. So, if you got yourself a Pandora account, go ahead and open up that playlist, enjoy those tunes, and get ready to take your home to the next adventure. Don't just take control of your life, take control of the family of giving the ultimate experience of organization and entertainment. Creating the one simple stop solution from gaming to media. Entertain your kids, entertain yourself, because it doesn't get any better than this. The real thing you gotta say is this is the one device that you can watch and use at home and remotely. Real-time updates, your kids add their schedule, you add their schedule. Everything that you do remotely or at home will update in the app and you can monitor and watch real time. So you definitely got to check it out for yourself, because I highly encourage. It doesn't get any cooler than this. You got to try it. When it comes to being probably one of the best, most coolest parents that are out there, or just being overly involved with your family, the Cozyla, I cannot stress enough, it is an awesome product. Because again, you're creating a schedule for yourself. This is more than just a lifestyle. This is a living. And what I mean by that is literally all your family members can be engaged in your schedule and be engaged in what you're doing. And vice versa. You can be fully engaged to see what they're doing. So if you have them participate with this, including yourself, you'll never lose track, because like myself and my family, when we get together, I can't keep track of what everybody's doing. I don't know all the plans. And the best of all is that when they put their information in here and decide on what they're going to do for the day or the weekend or even next month. So it is the best thing to find out, to see what their plans are, which is pretty awesome, because my kids love this. My wife loves it and I love it. And I get to know exactly what they're doing on a day-to-day basis, and I can ask them exactly how they are and help them where I need to, because this simplifies the life, but it also creates a joy, because it's keeping the family engaged and you're having fun doing it. So check out the Cozyla. This is the all-in-one calendar, beyond calendar. It is like having your own personal assistant for everybody as a one-stop shop. Try it out for yourself, because I guarantee you're going to love it. And I cannot stress it enough. You are going to love it. The endless possibilities on this device right here, it really is a life-changing experience, because it's going to be something you're going to preach to all your friends and family and coworkers. It really is awesome. Try it out for yourself. Thank you guys all for watching. You got to really get one. Appreciate everybody.